3 key elements to consider when you are building a brand. Brands are all around us. We use them daily for different activities. Do you know your logo is not your brand? It is also not your corporate identity, advertising or marketing. It is people's gut feeling about you, your products or services or your organization. You understand when anyone says any of these? Google it. Photoshop that picture. That's the power of a brand. Here are 3 vital foundations you need to consider whether the brand you are looking to build is a product, service, place, or your personal brand. But before we get to it, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to get more exciting tips. Number 1. Your brand identity. Brand identity helps to attract new customers to your brand while making existing customers feel at home. It includes your logo, your brand colors, blue, red, yellow and green for Google, your typography, that is, the type of font for your communication, your packaging if you have products, and the images you choose for communicating. Number 2. Your brand promise. It tells your target audience what they should expect from purchasing your product or demanding for your service. On your website, customer service, printings, videos, and campaigns. Number 3. Your brand voice. Tone of voice reflects your brand personality and values. It includes the words you choose and the order in which you put them across all your messaging platforms, online or offline. It helps you connect with your audience, and makes you different from other brands. There has to be a fit between your audience and the voice you use to speak to them. Putting these 3 elements in place gets you on the way to stardom. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with someone.